Chapter 6 The Astrologer's Revenge. "I don't need your treasures," said Ibrahim scornfully. "The princess is mine. Keep your promise." "No," shouted the king angrily. "You tricked me." "Then goodbye, your majesty," said the astrologer with a cruel laugh, and he hit the ground with his stick. Immediately, Ibrahim disappeared into the earth with the princess. The king was horrified. "Where are they?" he shouted. 1,000 workers started to dig in the ground, but they did not find the astrologer or the princess. Even Ibrahim's cave disappeared. Epilogue. The magic in the tower disappeared too. The horsemen did not warn the king against his enemies anymore, and the chess pieces did not move again. The soldiers fought and died in real battles. After some time, the unhappy King Ibn died, and the people of Granada had a better king. Many years later, they built the Alhambra on that same hill. It reminds us of the beauty of the magic garden of Irem. The magic entrance still exists, the hand and the key protected. It is the gate of justice, the grand entrance to the fortress. Many say that the old astrologer and the princess are still underground, living under the gateway, and they will stay there until the mysterious hand takes the key and breaks the magic spell.